Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Zelle have a minimum transfer amount? Before I get into the answer, let's talk about what Zelle is. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's a great way to pay friends, family, or even businesses. Now, back to the question, does Zelle have a minimum transfer amount? The answer is no, Zelle does not have a minimum transfer amount. You can send as little as 1 cent or as much as $2,500 per day. This is great news for people who need to send or receive small amounts of money. It also makes Zelle a great option for businesses that need to make quick payments to customers or vendors. Now that you know the answer to the question, let's talk about some of the other features of Zelle. Zelle is free to use. There are no fees for sending or receiving money. Zelle is fast. Transactions are typically completed within minutes. Zelle is secure. Your money is protected by bank-grade security. Zelle is easy to use. You can set up Zelle in your banking app or online banking portal. If you're looking for a convenient, fast, and secure way to send or receive money, Zelle is a great option. Now that you know more about Zelle, I encourage you to give it a try. You can download the Zelle app from your smartphone's app store or visit the Zelle website to get started. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.